Honestly, that's a fair enough question. I honestly can't tell if it meant that in a hateful way or not, but I'm just gonna respond as if it was a valid question because truthfully, it was. I mean, I am a makeup channel after all. And I guess the short version would be because I want to. But the longer version goes as follows. When I would contour on the sides of my nose, it would kind of sit funny right over here.
You can't see through the fluffy brush though.
I don't know if you can tell, but I do have quite the big, I don't know what the cavities right on the side there, and they just kind of ruined the whole look for me. So I started doing it like this, so I would have to avoid using so much product trying to cover up the holes of my nose. And I know that sounds a bit weird, but it was bad. It got so cakey because I just could not be able to cover it in a way that felt like it hid it enough. So doing it this way has really helped me improve my nose contour. And also, because I'm lazy, it is so much easier to just carve out the middle of the nose than do the sides. And I get it. This makeup technique will not be for everyone, and that's okay. Makeup is not a one size fit all, and the way I like to do my contour might not even fit your face because we don't have the same nose. We might not even share the same preferences in makeup, and that's okay. As long as I like it, that's all that matters. And if that helps you, great. If it does not help you, great. Because at the end of the day, I did not do my makeup to suit your preferences. I'm simply expressing myself on the internet and sharing it with you. I wish people would stop acting as if their preferences were somehow this universal law that needs to be upheld by everyone. That's simply just not the case. Makeup styles can indeed be different, and that's really all I want to show on my page is how to break the norms in terms of makeup. And honestly, I don't even feel like I've done a great of job at that so far. But I do have some devoted haters at this point, so maybe I haven't done quite as badly as I think. Until next time.